Hi guys, the ingredients required are red chili cut into pieces, 12 garlics cut into long pieces, a pinch of hing, 1 lemon, salt according to taste, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, ready-made Achari masala. The procedure are as follows. Heat the mustard oil. Add red chili and garlic pieces in glass jar and add salt according to taste. When the oil get hot, add hing and achari masala to it. After switch off the gas stove. Now add the cooked masala into glass jar and mix well. Keep it for 2 days in sun so that your masala and pieces got mixed well. After 2 days, add lemon so that it will increase the durability of our achar. Mix well. Your red chili garlic achar is ready to serve.